Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 12 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's poem. If you see me checking this page at the beginning of the video, it's because there's this button that you can click for 10 lead coins. I don't know if it's good or not, but it is always, I don't know. It's fun to click on stuff. Anyway, today it's actually still September 11 here in New York, and some of you might know, I actually went to school nearby there. So, it's always as a New Yorker, it's always a sort of a weird day, though it has been 20-something years. Today I went to the Jets game. It was a very fun game, and if you watch the NFL, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you watched the game because it was kind of fun. The most fun part, though, of course, was that there was free food for me, so I ate a lot. I'm very hungry. Oh, I was very hungry. Now I'm pretty fine. Anyway, let's actually get to today's poem. 1647. Minimum deletions to make characters frequency unique. Alright, a string S is good if there are no two different characters that have the same frequency. Okay, given a string S, return the minimum number of characters you need to delete to make S good. The frequency of a character is the number of times. Okay. I think this one is pretty straightforward, greedy, right? I think there are two observations, right? One is that if two characters have the same frequency, like if you have two A's and two B, two A's or two B's, or just like they're the same. It doesn't matter if you delete A or B; it just goes down, right? So that's one. And then the other thing is that if you can always find an answer, because if you delete everything, technically, if you have if a character has 0, it is not in the string. So then, therefore, you can always return, or you can always delete everything to make it good. Though you probably never need to. In fact, you could unless you start off with an empty string, you can always have just one string, right? So I think that's fine. So then now I think that's just the implementation now in that greedy way. And because we can only delete. The way that we're going to do it is just cascading from high to low, because then, then you could kind of handle it that way, right? So yeah, let's do. So what am I doing? Counting. So this just gives us the frequency table. I'm a little bit lazy, and then maybe we can do something like the max value is this, right? The max of the thing, and this has at least one thing in the map, so this one. For an error, and then that's it. And then we do maybe something like we could do a while loop as well. While this is greater than 0, if f of I kind of got a little bit lazy. What we actually want to do is we want a frequency of all the frequency values. So maybe like an ff is equal to collections.counter.f.values. Technically, I guess this is linear and we do it twice, but it doesn't change the complexity, it just changes the runtime. But okay, right? So then now you go if ff of mx is greater than 1, then or we have to keep a counter, right, of things we deleted. And that means that so we want to keep ff of m sub x is 1, right? Meaning if 3 characters appear in if 3 characters appear 3 times, you have to remove 2 of them, right? So basically, yeah. So maybe I like count is equal to ffmx, right? So the mx, what is it? We subtract count minus 1 so that we have 1 left and mx. But then of course by deleting them, we add that amount to the one smaller number, right? Meaning if you have 4 characters, now you convert it to 3 characters, right? For the same one, for the frequency. And then that's pretty much it, right? And then it goes all the way, it goes to 0, that's fine. The bigger thing, of course, is to also count this thing. So yeah, also I don't know why I have typo. That's pretty bad actually. Let's just do count. This is equal to that, and then I don't know. And also, you do stuff like this. Of course, you don't want to repeat yourself. That's the dry principle. And so if you do change a thing, then it becomes easier. All right, let's give it a spin. Hopefully I didn't make any silly mistakes. Looks okay. Let's give it a submit. Yeah, looks good. Apparently I've done it twice before. What's the complexity here, right? Let's go over it. It may look a little complicated, but it will be good. This is going to be linear time. All of A space. A is the size of the alphabet, right? Because there's only 26. Yeah, only lowercase, only 26 characters, and therefore this only has 26 space. And then here, that's just O of 26 or O of A. This is also O of A, but this part, and you could actually do a little bit better than this probably, but because you can actually skip ahead, and if you do skip ahead, that actually makes the complexity way better. Is that true? Yeah, because if you skip ahead, then I think you can get it down to O of... maybe that's not true actually, not the way that I was doing it anyway. Oh wait, no, yeah. If you do some kind of skip ahead, then this is actually O of 26 or O of alpha, because the invariant is that every time you do this, we subtract one. We subtract one from the number of duplicates, right? Meaning that this thing at most is all 26 of them are dupes in terms of number of frequency. So you subtract 25 of them, and then the next step, at most there's going to be 25 and then 24 and then dot. So that'll be O of alpha. But the way that we actually did it, because I'm lazy, is going to be O of n, because no. Actually, I think this is still right, but the mx makes it O of n because we kind of loop through a lot of values that are 0, right? So definitely we probably could have skipped ahead a little bit, maybe. Oh well, yeah. So you get this is O of n plus a, but of course it doesn't change the overall complexity because this makes it O of n anyway. But you know, on running time you could definitely be a little bit better. What did I do previous times? Oh, notes. Oh, I didn't know I could add notes here. Don't care for it, but apparently the last time I also did the same thing, and the first time I. Man, this is very complicated looking, but I mean this already. No, this sort of just makes it a log a, but just marginally more expensive. Anyway, yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you could do a one-liner. Apparently, people on my Discord have been playing with that. I don't know. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.